Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your language on your Doordash, guys. Okay, so whether you're a customer or you're a delivery driver, okay, you can switch to your preferred language. That's going to make navigating the app much easier. So let's dive right in. So first things first, guys, what we want to do is open up your Doordash app, okay, on your device. Make sure you're logged in if you aren't already. Make sure you're logged in. And then next, guys, what you want to do is you want to head to the account settings, okay. To do this, look for the account icon or the three lines, sometimes called the horizontal lines, usually located in the upper left or right corner of the screen. Just tap it to open up the menu. Then, guys, what you want to do in the menu, you want to scroll down until you find app settings, right? This is where you can manage various app preferences, including your language options. So what you want to do, guys, now you want to look for the language option. Just tap on it to open up the list of the available languages. From here, you just want to choose your preferred language on the list, and the app will immediately switch to the selected language, allowing you to navigate DoorDash in your chosen language. And that's it, guys. You have successfully changed the language in DoorDash. If you found this tutorial helpful, guys, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, guys. See you in the next one.